I know when people talk about referendum, they think facilities and money and funding, et cetera, but it's so much more than that. It really is. It's about our students primarily and what our students deserve. How are we preparing them for the future? The world around us is changing. We have been stagnated in Robbinsdale Area Schools. When we look at our facilities, we've kind of stayed put over the years. We need to change with the world around us and ensure that our students are prepared for that change when they walk out of our door.
I think the teachers and our staff throughout Robbinsdale do the best that they can with the facilities that we are living in, but the referendum would give us the ability to enhance our facilities and opportunities for flexible spaces and outdoor learning areas that would give our students the opportunity to learn in different ways and our teachers to be able to continue to serve our students in the best way possible.
When we look at our student surveys, one of the things that they pointed out where they do not feel safe is in our restrooms. And that's because of how old they are and the lack of privacy.
On a daily basis, just that traffic flow in the hallways when kids are coming and going could be difficult with the narrowness of the hallway.
They want options. They want to be able to learn in different spaces. They don't want to be confined in the classroom, in some classroom with no windows. Flexible spaces would give students more options. When I walked into White Bear Lake, that building was made very similarly to Cooper High School. And so you can just see how, with some work and with some funding, how that building could be expanded to look and feel so open and sunny and warm. This would be such an amazing opportunity if we can create a space or enhance our space to look similar to this and provide some of the opportunities that White Bear Lake is offering their students. So absolutely, my first thought is, this is doable.
Our teachers do a fabulous job of making do with what they have. I would love to have them have this opportunity to be able to just focus on the teaching and learning at hand, and that everything is right there for them.
Learn all you can about the upcoming referendum by visiting rdale.referendumfacts.org.